What is up, guys? TechRex here. I've got the iPhone 8 in my hands here. This is that gold finish, really beautiful. Still got the sealing here, and I want to do a little comparison test with the Galaxy S8. I want to do a water test, but not a ordinary, just basic water test or a boiling water test, but seawater. That's what I have here, and I've actually had an instance where I was in Hawaii, and I took a dip with my 7 Plus. And a couple minutes, I was only there for maybe 2 minutes, I just swam around a little bit. I literally just kind of did this, I wanted to see. And I realized that the phone broke a couple hours after, and I was actually kind of surprised. You know, water resistant, I'm thinking like, why did it break? It started glitching out and then it wouldn't turn on at all. So I'm thinking maybe it's the salt that really can break these phones, because regular water, you know, they're going to last for hours, or they'll probably going to survive like 90% of the chance. But what about straight up seawater? So we got salt water here, and then we got the S8, the iPhone 8. Of course, keep in mind 67 certified, 68 certified. So technically the S8 should last longer, but we'll see what happens. Let's get straight into this. So the way this is going to work, I actually want to do this experiment in increments. So first thing, I'm going to put both phones in there for exactly 5 minutes. After that, I'm going to pull them out and then go ahead and play a song on both smartphones just to see, you know, after 5 minutes, can both still play a song on YouTube. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to keep that going for about 5 minutes. Then I'm going to, you know, check again. And then so in these increments of 5 minutes, I'll just be checking, you know, everything. Audio, you know, how everything is functioning. So let's go ahead and just take this sealing first out of the phone. I'm going to drop them both at the 10-second mark. Okay. There we go. They're in. They're in. So we're good to go. And I'm just going to try and position them properly. And we are almost done. I'm just going to wrap it to the 10-second mark. That's when I place them in there. So bam, there we go. Let's just slowly take both of the phones out. And man, these things are heavy. All that water inside. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna press stop. Let's just see what is happening at this point. So right now I can, on the iPhone 8, I just clearly pressed stop. Okay, everything is still good. Nope, they're still glitching. So let's go ahead and take a look at audio. I'm gonna try and go to the YouTube application, and I'm going to play a song. This is going to be a little difficult because there's still a lot of water in here. This is max volume. You can hear it's trying. So now let's do this again. So obviously you guys can tell from that the S8 is much better sounding. So it could be, of course, you know, 68 certified like I mentioned, but iPhone 8 is sounding a lot more muffled just from 5 minutes in the seawater. So let's go ahead and I'm just going to go back to normal. No audio, just going to put it in there for another 5 minutes, and we'll pull it out and do the little test again. Both smartphones are in. We're going to give it another 5 minutes here on my stopwatch, and no audio this time or anything, just the regular screen. And I just want to see, you know, if anything funky happens. So I'll just put that phone here and we'll see what happens. Let's pull out the phones. So all of the basic functions of the smartphone still work. Nothing bad happened to the camera. All the buttons still work. Everything is still smooth. So I want to put them in there for one last final time, probably up to 30 minutes or maybe even an hour. This is the last time I'll be dropping them both in just to see the final result. So they've already been there for a total of 10 minutes. This time we're going to put it to the extreme test and see what happens. Let's get it going. This is it. I'll see you guys in about half an hour, maybe an hour. Alright guys, final conclusion. I'm going to wrap it up. It's almost an hour now. I already did 10 minutes and this is nearing 50 minutes. So this is a full hour of submersion. Both phones, I'm going to go ahead and take them out to see the final result. Looks like they're still on. Only at one time the S8 for some reason dimmed off. I had to reset it. It was weird. Maybe something happened in that span of a couple seconds, but let's just take a look at what we have at the moment. Dried them off for a little bit, and besides that one audio issue, guys, both of these phones exceeded my expectations. It's pretty insane, actually. I would imagine at least one of them doing something, but everything is perfectly fine. There's no restart. There's no... I remember the 7 Plus, I had it restarted, then it tried to boot up again. It had issues, and I don't know, maybe it was the waves of the ocean. I don't know, but I had them for a full hour. Both phones work perfectly fine, just like new. There's not even a single something, you know, out of the place. Again, S8 dimmed off, just did a little funky things. Audio is better than the iPhone 8, but that is it, guys. So thanks for watching. As always, stay tuned for more videos, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Peace out.